How I got 10,000 plus like and follower in just 7 days. So I also got millions of views, post reach, post engagement on my page, thousand of shares, comments. So I will show you how I got this follower and likes on my page. So I am going to show you my more stat. Here you can see in last 28 days post reach 46,000, 46 lakh 48,003, and so here is last 7 days 41 lakh 2,000, and something like this, and page like 700. So I also show you 7 days and 28 days. Here you can see post engagement 58.8 million plus percentage in percentage, reaction 1 lakh plus people react to my post, 1.2 million plus percentage in percentage people react to my uh, post, comments 615, so shares 2000 plus, link clicks and photo views and video clicks 92 lakh 55,436. So others idle post 0 and unfollow 446, and so 400 plus people unfollow me, but a good point is 10,000 plus people follow and like my page, and I am getting good engagement on my page. So that's so easy to get uh, follower, likes, video views on your comment. You don't need to do anything. You don't need to a big page. My page is a small page, 10,000 people following my page, but after 7 days I got 20, in total 20 10,000. My total follower is 20,000. So you can do this, Sam. So that's so easy. Just follow my method. I will show you. Basically I upload reels on my page. Facebook introduced, I don't know how long, maybe 1 year ago, but I know about this 1 month ago. So I just upload reels on my videos. Here you can see I got 2.9 million, 364k, and another one 2.6 million, and another one 234k views. So you can see my views, how much I got views. So you can also upload reels on your page and grow your page easily. That's so easy to grow your page. So I am not going to show you my main page, but this is my YouTube channel page. So simply visit your page. You will see a right side a reel button. So now click on this. Simply click on this, and your camera will open. You will see a lot of options, like you can upload reel from your gallery. You can make your own reel. So you can make 30-second reels, 60-second reels, 15-second reels. So you can add music if you want to add music with your reels. So you can use effects if you want to use effect. You can add timer. There is a lot of effects available, so I show you how you can do. So here you can see a reel. A- when you click on three dots, you will see a reel section. Here you can see Facebook showing you. So this is not available on computer and also not available on uh, light Facebook. This is available of official Facebook. So here you can see people uploading reels. So they get this reel get 10,000 like, that's mean this video definitely get 500 plus views on their videos. Also this video got thousand of views. So here you can see people making videos, a short reel, 30-second, 15-second, and 61-minute reels. So you can upload videos like this and you can grow your page. So once your video will go viral, they will likes, and here you can see a downside a follow button. Once they watch the video, if they like your video, then they will click on follow button and they will follow you. likes. I already show you my stats, so that's so easy. So just make reels, so you can make a simple reel videos, wha- and you don't need to do any SEO, and just people will scroll down, and Facebook system automatically pick your video. So again on my stats, so I show you my stats. So this is not fake stat. Once you, this is not screenshot and not any HTML coding. So I am on mobile and making videos from my mobile. So you see my stats. So just upload reels on your page and grow your page easily. And just last 7 days I got millions of views and get 10,000 plus likes. So just make reels on your page and grow your page. You can also make reels from your personal Facebook profile. This option is available from all of Facebook account user. If you have multiply account, you can make reel from multiply pages. Thanks for watching. If you have any question, leave in comment section. Goodbye.